Chef Suparna. I have an experience of about 23 years, and out of which 12 years have been with the Taj Group of Hotels. Presently, I work with AMPM Cafe and Bar as the brand chef. Today, the recipe that I'm going to be showing you is Charmula cottage cheese steak. It is a pretty easy recipe, and I'm excited about using the frying pan foil by Asahi Kasei. The best part about the foil is that it is oil-free cooking. You do not have to use even a single drop of oil. It can be reused, so which reduces the cost in the kitchen, and it comes with an inbuilt cutter, so it makes your life convenient and easy. So I'm going to be showing you what ingredients we're going to be using. We're going to be using different ingredients at two stages. First stage, we're going to make a charmula marination. First, we have coriander seeds, cumin seeds, we have lemon juice, chili flakes, paprika powder. In the fresh ingredients, we have parsley, coriander, mint, lemon zest and garlic. So what we do is we take a bowl and we'll take these ingredients, a spoon of coriander seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a teaspoon of chili flakes, a teaspoon of smoked paprika powder. We take half a spoon of lemon zest. We take about 3 cloves of garlic, half a cup of mint leaves. We take 1 cup of parsley leaves and half a cup of coriander leaves and 2 spoons of lemon juice. And we add olive oil. And what we do is we put it in a mixer and we blend it to a coarse texture. So after we blend it to a coarse texture, this is how it's going to be looking. Not a smooth paste, but a coarse texture. The next step is we take the cottage cheese. And what we do is we take this charmula marination and we apply it on the cottage cheese. And we leave this for 5-10 minutes. So while the paneer is marinating in charmula, what we'll do is we'll start with blanching the vegetables and then we will grill the vegetables. We'll take water. The water is almost boiling. We'll put in the vegetables. In the vegetables, we have baby corn, we have asparagus, we have green zucchini, we have yellow zucchini, we have bell peppers, red, yellow and green, and we have broccoli. So the water is almost boiling. We'll add the hard vegetables. Only the hard vegetables we will blanch. It should take about 2 minutes. Once the color brightens, we just take them out. So I'm just checking if the vegetables are done or not. So the baby corn is done. Now comes the time to use the frying pan foil by Asahi Kasei. As you can see, I'm using the inbuilt cutter to cut the foil, and it also has a right side and a wrong side. So the shiny side is the right side, and it gives you no oil cooking because it's coated with silicone. And all we need to do is place the vegetables or whatever you're grilling or cooking directly on the foil. You can hear the vegetables are already sizzling, and I'm going to do is season them with salt and pepper. As you can see, I'm grilling the vegetables and I haven't used even a single drop of oil. That's the best part about the foil, that it's absolutely oil-free cooking. You can see the vegetables have already started getting a nice golden brown color, and the vegetables are not sticking to the foil. Another best part is that the foil is reusable. So all you need to do is just wipe it off in case you've used it for a vegetarian and you want to use it for a non-veg or non-veg and vegetarian. So all the vegetables are nicely grilled. We're removing them. So in the same foil, what we're going to do is we're going to add this marinated paneer. And as you can see, there is no oil. You can hear the sizzle which is coming from the paneer going on the foil. And what we'll do is we'll just turn the paneer. You can see it's got amazing grill marks. As you can see, the paneer is nicely grilled. I'll just reduce the temperature a bit. And I already have this mashed potato. So the mashed potato is nothing but boiled potatoes finished with just cream and butter. And we're done with the paneer. What I'll do is I'll just take it off the pan. We put the other piece as well. That's your charmula cottage cheese steak with mashed potatoes and grilled veggies. Made with absolutely zero oil. Made with the Asahi Kesei frying pan foil with absolutely zero oil.